When data is exported from one application into Excel, there are times where you might have data in one column and you really need to separate it into multiple columns. So in this case, we've just got a first name and a last name, and we can't sort or filter by first name or last name because the two items, first and last name, are both in the same cell. Rather than have to retype anything or create any sort of complicated formulas, we can leverage the power of Excel to use a feature called text to columns. Let's have a look at how that works. First of all, highlight the data that we want to split, and then we go to the Data tab, Text to Columns. Now, what I love about Excel is the wizards that it gives you, because you really don't have to know a lot, you just have to be able to read a screen. So here it's saying characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. Well, there's actually spaces between the first name and last name. So I'm going to click Next. Here the default is tab, so I'll take the tick out of the tab box and I'll put a space in here. Now, just as a side note, you've also got semicolon, comma, or other. So this can be really useful if perhaps it's a part number and a description, and maybe there's a hyphen between a number and some text that you want to separate. So you could choose an other character. I've just chosen a space, and it's going to split the data based on the space between first name and last name. I'll click Next. It says it's going to convert numbers to numbers, dates to dates, and everything else to text. And now I'll click Finish. Now, it's split the data. There's no need for complex formulas. The only side note I'd make here is if this data was in one column and there was data directly next to it on the rest of the spreadsheet, I'd be inclined to copy this worksheet tab, put it onto another worksheet, do the text to columns, and then work out how many columns I need to insert to put it back in here. So that's how you can use text to columns to split data that's in one cell into multiple columns.